Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. Just letting you guys know that Robinhood has increased the limit in buying AMC and GME. For GameStop, they've upped it to 500 shares, and for AMC, they've upped it to up to 5,500 shares. So we could see a possible surge tomorrow morning, or possibly even pre-market, because a lot of people might start actually queuing their stock purchases as of tonight, possibly towards tomorrow. So we might actually see a huge pump tomorrow, and possibly even Friday morning. So, let's see what happens if all this volume actually ends up going back into AMC and GameStop. That would be astronomical for both tickers. It would be absolutely insane. But we don't know. We don't know until we know, right? So we need to wait until tomorrow pre-market to look at where prices are. If we do see really high pre-market prices, that means that the volume is actually pretty exponential, and AMC and GameStop, if they're hitting high pre-market valuations, that means that it's gonna be a pretty gnarly day.